Good morning, it is 2 AM and we're going on a little bikepacking adventure. So we're heading around 330 kilometres south. We're basically going to ride to Devon, Dartmoor, where we can bivvy out. So that is the plan for today. It is early, I've slept for about maybe 4 hours. So I guess I will see you along the route. It is 4 AM, we've had a little puncture, but the sun is just about to come up. It is so serene. It's bloody cold though. That feels alright. It's literally 20 seconds after that last puncture and Greg has now got a puncture, so I'm just fixing them up, but oh god, it is so cold. So we are about 90k or so in, so we're almost coming up to like just under a third, but it was so cold. I literally put every layer. Look at all the layers I've got on. I've got this layer, I've got a wind jacket, I've got a gilet, and I've got a long sleeve jersey and a base layer.
You know, if you turned around, you get a plop right in your pannier.
Also, for any of you long-time viewers, you will know the relevance to me in a bagel by a bin. I just realised I was like, how do I always like gravitate towards the bins?
Does it continue to be hilly?
It's hilly up way.
It's
4,000 metres, mate.
It's a lovely castle.
It is hot now. It's gone from... I'm going to be honest, I didn't film this because I couldn't, but I started to cry because I was so cold. I was like, what can I do about it? I'm just so cold. And now, it's freaking well hot.
I don't know where to put this now.
That's the problem.
That is the problem.
Where are you going to put it?
Is this possible? Better cage here. Go on this one.
Go on, lad. Oh my god, you have packed that. Just don't want it coming off. And
yeah, that's it.
Rich once took his jersey off on Zwift and he got it caught in the trainer, didn't you?
Yeah, straight in the train and got caught in the thing. I had a crash.
What? You crashed on Zwift? Wow, you
crashed on Zwift.
You are into it, aren't you?
It's going to fall off.
So about 120 so K in, and we're just heading through, I think this is the start of the Wye Valley.
Wye Valley!
So it's going to be a little bit hilly. You can't use your sunglasses. There's a stone stuck in my shoe and I can't get it in my cleat.
A few hundred meters down the road.
Yes. Look at his face after it's done it. He's like, yeah, I'm the man.
Who's the man?
Who's the man?
Daddy.
Too far. The magical mystery tour now. We're heading to Cheddar Gorge. I don't even know what this climb is, but it is awful. With a loaded bike, honestly. This is like, oh god. And it's 30 degrees. And I'm sweating. And my bike's heavy.
You didn't get a Coke?
No. So we are in Bristol. About 170k, so pretty much just over halfway. I'm enjoying it. I don't feel that tired yet, seeing as we set off at stupid o'clock, but although because we had like the punctures and the mechanicals, that probably took us an hour, just over an hour to sort them, so yeah, but it's all good. We're just going to take it steady, just riding when we get there. Same kind of plan. That's some skill. Oh, with an express.
Sorry, until 11. There's a Tesco Extra open until midnight.
I think we've done, how many have we done? 240k in the minute? Like 240k, about 90k left.
My biggest ride ever.
Woo, woo, woo.
So far, so even if we scrap it now.
We're not scrapping it. Well done. Awesome, Greg.
You were there for my first 200.
Was that?
Yeah, Internon.
I underestimated how long it would take with loaded bikes, in the heat, in the cold, with mechanicals. It's taken a lot longer than we expected, so just seeing how it goes. There has been talk of a quick 10-minute nap in a field as well, so hey.
Dave says, has Katie cried yet?
I was close.
I have. Say that I have.
It's because it was so cold. We are about, how many k? 55k to go. And it's weird, we were saying earlier, like sometimes we were getting so, like we would be really tired and then all of a sudden you just like come out of it and then you're not tired anymore. There's some left. Some sweeties left. Yeah, go on then. You having one? Yeah. What did you say to Dave?
I said there were a couple of moments en route. We had a good counselling session just outside Taunton, which seemed to help.
You're full of shit. Oh, look at that. So it's done about 280k at the minute. So we're in Exeter, we're going to nip to Tesco, grab some food, and I think it's about 20-25k to where we're going to be camping. And I think Richard said it's basically all uphill, so that's going to be a nice last 20k of the ride, but it's been such a... I actually feel really fine, although I've done obviously longer rides, I've done 300s, but this one, I don't know, I think because it's just like my bike is just so heavy and it's been so hilly, but I love having all my stuff with me on my bike, ready just to go and get in my bivvy and get down for the night. So yeah, not get down for that, not like, you know, what am I talking about, Katie? Go to sleep. I can't even think, oh god, he's got chips. You probably can't see me, but we've just officially entered Dartmoor National Park, so we've got about 13k left to do. God, there's some steep little buggers of climbs up here, but yeah, we're here, so I am. Woo woo! How are you feeling that we're here, Richard? Greg? Yeah. we're not having much conversation at the minute. We're all quite tired, so. You're alright. You're alright. Caught that on camera, Richard. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't camp here anyway, can we?
Yeah, I just, well, no.
Go on, lad.
Problem is, how on earth are we going to get down?
He's looking for his perfect shower spot.
Are we going the right way though? I thought we had to go.
Shall I go a bit further and see?
Well, we're not technically in the zone yet either.
Aren't we?
Get it over the
Just slip on up.
He stood on the log.
Great friend, you. Should I give you a hand or still?
Got it. Because there's plants.
He's sticking up our backs.
I agree.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Okay, keep going. Shall we go?
To where?
There's the best we're gonna find up there.
Right, I'm going for a wee and then I'm off to bed.
There's somewhere to be, you know.
Look at Richards.
Can I have a hand, Greg, when you finish, please?
Yeah.
Because I don't know how to get this done out. Because I didn't get it up the first time.
Like that. Does that look anywhere familiar?
Something like that, I think.
Right, I'm going to end today's video here. Gonna get some good sleep and yeah, I will share what we get up to tomorrow in another video, in the next video that's going to come out. So good night, thank you so much for watching, bye. Oh, you're being quiet for me?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't have to. What are you going to do with your sleeping bag?
Chuck it over my head.
I meant your tent, sorry, your sleeping bag. You know what I
Chuck it
mean.
over my head.
Oh God, Richard. We'll figure it out tomorrow. Promise. I think I meant to be in that path there. Oops.
Woohoo!
What did you say?
Oh,
Your backside's gonna blow.
yeah, I'm sorry.
You're a bloody animal.
Don't trust a fart.